M.Reck. Y'all wanna stunt and floss on Front Street? The hawk will tear through your gut, spill out your lunch meat. You the main Vic, they booking for drugs. Niggas starving out here, and you looking like grub. MRecktv.
It's on the grill, man. Pull up, get right.
Yeah.
A little bit after that. A little after.
We all at tap in. We live. We out here. We go. I'm about to get on the track. So, oh, you got that? We got.
No, we just do about that. So he like, he came outside. The big man not even on aggressive. He explained it to him like, came out. I told him,
What you got? Come on,
We post that when
got everything.
I got
Everything. We got shrimp, lobster, rice, salmon, chicken. Hold on, where my man at? I gotta get this drop side. Take an order. Yeah, you want some teriyaki, shrimp or something? Nice one?
Yeah, I take that with y'all.
Alright. YD. Yeah, we about to get busy, and I got a surprise sous chef. Tell Kiss I want to come into the truck.
Are we almost ready?
Yeah, excuse me.
So listen. So he gonna do the fries,
Yeah, he
and then I'm
gonna
gonna let
take
him
order.
just chop on the rice to make it look like he's cooking some rice.
That's it.
That's it.
Well, let me get over on this side. Let me get past it. Sean, let me get past it.
Let me get paid.
Excuse me.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit! Yo, look. Look at my sous chef for the day.
I'm here. Chef Kiss for the day.
Yeah.
Let me get some gloves.
Right there.
I'm saying, where you at, right here?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Perfect.
Get your gloves. What's up, brother? How you doing? How you? I'm alright.
We taking orders.
Taking orders, man.
Your memory's so good, you don't even got ready, fam.
Yeah. You know that. We don't need no pen and pad today.
Yeah.
Baby. Pull up and grab.
Yeah.
I need
Menu.
a chicken
This is
cheese steak.
extended menu. You know what I mean? How you want it? Crispy fried chicken, fish, jumbo shrimp, fries, sweet chili, honey, barbecue. We got all the sauces in the world. You know what I mean? In case you like tartar, cocktail, whatever you like, we got it. Protein, you know what I mean? Chicken,
Yeah.
shrimp, salmon, however you want to do it. Jasmine rice, prepared hibachi snack. Sauteed red onions, mushrooms, broccoli, spinach. We got it all, baby. Celery, bell peppers, drizzled with the homemade honey and sweet chili stir-fry sauce.
Yeah, that's my sauce
You know
right
what I
there.
mean? For my brother SP and the vegans, we got the vegan fried rice bowl. Seasoned vegan yellow rice stir-fry with the sauteed vegetable medley. Drizzle with the vegan teriyaki sauce. Holla at me.
Huh? What's wrong with him?
Yeah. And let me
the
drop some
first
fries. What I'm doing, I'm dropping some fries.
You drop some fries, you can get some rice.
Yeah, we got the rice, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
get
How you
busy.
want it?
Yeah.
How you
Y'all see
want it?
Kiss?
Y'all see this vegetable fried rice right here? This is real. You know what I mean? Real
Pull up.
vegetables. Pull up.
Pull up.
Yeah.
Chef Kiss on the
You know what I
grill.
mean? I gotta lay your nose on this. This thing right here is coming off smelling like, woo! It smells so good right now. I know y'all want some. Pull up, man. It's a limited time Chef Kiss on the grill, man. Pull up, get right.
Yeah. Let's go. So what's your Ski? What's your order?
Can I get some shrimp and fries, please?
I feel like you Kiss to take your order. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take the order. Kiss gonna drop it. What you want?
I want shrimp and fries.
Shrimp and fries coming up.
You gotta drop these right here. Which one?
Either one.
This one, right? No doubt.
Oh, give me 8 pay.
Coming right up, man.
First order
Nice
coming
and
up.
hot for you. You feel me?
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Shrimp and fries. You got it? Want me right, it says?
No, you can't touch the pen.
Oh, I can't. You right.
Can I get $2 worth of
We
extra
practice cleanliness over here.
Hold on, time
$2
out.
worth of extra shrimp?
$2.
Hey, where you get a shrimp for $2?
What the fuck? What it? Yo.
You see what I'm saying? When you try to serve the community, how they do you? $2 extra shrimp. Where can you go in the world to get $2 extra shrimp?
Damn.
I just made it up.
Yeah.
Don't make it up.
I made it up.
What's up, brother? How you doing?
That's brother-in-law right there.
No doubt.
Excuse me.
Tell me when it.
You want to drop shrimp? You want me to get you some shrimp?
Yes.
Yo, man, stop out here, man. Stop playing.
Yes,
man.
sir. Yes, sir.
Come on
We
out here,
taking
stop
orders.
playing, man.
We taking Jonesy.
I need a,
Camera.
Bean, stop
Jonesy.
Come on out here.
I ain't doing no orders today.
Who's doing the orders?
I'm getting busy, baby. I already got one order.
Look at-
Fries coming up. You know what I mean?
Damn.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
K, what's your order, K?
Hey, yo, I got you.
Yeah, yeah.
What we
I
doing,
got
man?
that, that rice and that motherfucking teriyaki shrimp, man.
That's it. So we got 3 orders. 3 orders. Rice and teriyaki shrimp.
4. I'm going the same thing. 4.
4 orders.
That's fire. That's fire, you know?
And today, all the food is made with a kiss of love.
It's a nice hat you got on there.
Yes, it is. I'ma always represent you, Queen.
I love you,
I'ma
bro.
always represent you, Queen. Love you too.
I love you, man.
Thank you, Queen. Thank you. Y'all gonna be out here all night, right? So when we get ready to go back home.
Until the
Jumbo
event's
shrimp,
over.
too.
Yeah.
We'll get some.
How you
Hey,
doing? How you
what
doing?
up, boss? How you doing?
How you doing?
Did you see your man BJ in the gym this morning?
Yeah. And I sent him to the
Senior Citizen
wellness
Center.
place. Nah, I had to get his back right for him.
Oh, yeah,
They gave him the red light. They gave
Get
him
him
some
jumbo
treatment.
shrimp.
We gotta help him get.
Yes.
We gotta help him out.
Jumping right in.
In here.
Yeah, we ain't playing.
Now jumping in the fryer.
Drop it.
Yup.
Where?
There you go.
We want a cooker.
Woo!
Brother News,
The news at?
pull up.
News on live?
Yeah, he just tapped in on the live.
Listen to him for real. Pull up, baby.
Tell him, kid.
News, pull up on your boy, man. I'm cooking.
You did.
Teriyaki on the shrimp. I see it, boy.
Legendary shit.
Boy, like a lot of sauce, so I got to give him a little extra teriyaki.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he's saucy. Season. You know what I mean? We give you good season over here. Good season.
He tightening you up, what?
Get it on all the shrimp, you know what I mean? So you can't say, ooh. You know what I mean? You doing it better than Benny Hannes, all of them over here, man. Y'all better pull up.
M.Reck. Y'all wanna stunt and floss on Front Street? The hawk will tear through your gut, spill out your lunch meat. You the main Vic, they booking for drugs. Niggas starving out here, and you looking like grub.
Peace, world. If you're looking to promote and advertise your business or your brand on MRecktv, or you interested in becoming a sponsor and to be featured as a guest on a Backstories podcast, contact mrecktvsubmissions at gmail.com. That's MRecktv submissions at gmail.com. Peace. MRecktv.